This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PayPal account to TikTok. First, open your TikTok app and navigate to your profile page. Next, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to access your main menu. Then, select Settings and Privacy from the options presented. This initial step ensures you are in the correct section to manage your account's financial setup. We will walk through each step carefully. Once in Settings and Privacy, scroll down to find the Balance section. This area displays your available funds and how you can manage them. You will then tap on either Live Rewards or Creator Fund depending on your earning source. This action will open a new screen where you can manage your withdrawal methods. It is straightforward and easy to locate. After selecting your earning source, you will see a Withdraw button at the bottom. Tap this button to initiate the withdrawal process. A list of available payment methods will appear on your screen. Here, carefully select PayPal from the options provided. This action confirms your intention to link your PayPal account for future transactions on TikTok. Once you select PayPal, you will automatically be redirected to a secure, official PayPal login page. It is crucial to confirm you are on the legitimate PayPal site. Enter your PayPal email address and password precisely into the fields. After logging in, you must review and grant TikTok the necessary permissions to access your account for payments. This final authorization step is essential for security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.